Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make header disappear on scroll in Wix. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you make your header disappear on your Wix website? Well, making them disappear is fairly easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to wix.com, log into your account, and access your website. Now we are currently in our editor here. So what do you need to do here to make your header disappear? So first things first is you want to go to your header here, and at the right side you have the following options. So you have your quick edit and you have the header scroll settings. Let's go and click on the header scroll settings. Now the default thing here, or default design that you get for headers, or depending on your team here, is the freeze option here. But if you choose the option that says scroll with site, or disappear, or fades out, this actually allows you to hide your header. So depending on what you want to achieve here, so for example, maybe I want to use disappear. Let's go and click on this one, and let's go and close it. Let's go and click on preview, just to give you the idea. Now it should show you editor here, so let's go and scroll down, and that would actually remove or make your header disappear. Now you could go back to your editor here, just to give you an idea what it actually looks like before. Let's go and choose freeze here. Let's go and click on preview. And once we choose preview here, it's not going to be removed because of the setting that we just set up. So basically, just need to make sure that you update your, in this case, your scroll settings here to, in this case, update what your header would actually interact with your website. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.